See the problem number 3. Find the sum of first n terms and the sum of first 5 terms of the geometric series 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 4 by 9 plus so on. Okay, first it's a series rascondi. Given series. What is the series? 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 4 by 9 plus so on. Here a1 equals to first term equals to 1, a2 equals to 2 by 3 second term, a3 equals to 4 by 9 that is third term. Okay, now find first common ratio. R equals to what is the formula? A2 by A1. A2 by A1. A2 is 2 by 3 by 1. That equals to 2 by 3 by 1 is nothing but 2 by 3 only. Okay, now here R equal to 2 by 3 which is less than 1. 1 కంటే తక్కువ ఉంది కాబట్టి Sn formula sum of n terms formula Sn equals to A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R. Okay, that equals to here A value 1 into 1 minus R value 2 by 3 whole power n by 1 minus 2 by 3. Okay, that equals to what if everything is same number 1 minus 2 by 3 power n by 3 1 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1 by 3. Okay, what is this? Sn. Okay, write one more step. That equals to 3 transpose to numerator 3 into 1 minus 2 by 3 whole power n. This is Sn. Now we will find sum of first 5 terms. Now we will find S5. So 3 times 1 minus 2 by 3 whole power 5. Okay, that equals to 3 into 1 minus 2 power 5 by 2 power 5 by 3 power 5. That equals to 3 into 1 minus 2 power 5 value how much? 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 16 2 is 32 by 3 power 5. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81, 81 3 is 243. Okay, that equals to 3 into 243 into 1 is 243 minus 32 by 243. Okay, 3 how many times? 3 8 is 21, 3 1 is 3. So now 243 minus 32. 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. 211 by 81. Sum of first 5 terms is 211 by 81.